If you keep dodging the real issue, people won't trust you. Not at home, not at work, not online. We all know some persons. Every time a tough question comes up, they joke, they deflect, they blame, or they disappear. You can distract people for a moment, but you can't distract them forever. If you keep diverting your attention from the core issues, people will naturally ask questions about your motives. What are they hiding? Can I really trust them? And once trust cracks, everything starts falling apart. Here is the uncomfortable truth. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be honest. Be ready with clear answers. Be willing to say, I messed up. Here is what actually happened. Here is what I am doing to fix it. That is not weakness. That's the accountability, and it's really rare. Next time you are tempted to deflect, pause, take a breath, answer the real question, because when you own your story, you don't lose respect, you earn the respect.